Hello, I'm Tali Singh and I'm currently interning under Lexis and Company. In my this video, I will be talking about the offense of forgery under Indian Penal Code. So firstly, we will study the basic introduction, then the essential elements of forgery mentioned under IPC. So first we will start with the introduction part. So the offense related to documents known as forgery and explained under chapter 18 of Indian Penal Code. Section 463 to 477A deals with the cases of forgery of documents or electronic records. So forgery is mentioned under section 463 of Indian Penal Code. The definition of forgery is mentioned under section 463, and now we will study that. So as per section 463 of Indian Penal Code, whoever makes any false documents or false electronic record or part of a document or electronic record with intent to cause damage or injury to the public or to any person, or to support any claim or title, or to cause any person to part with property, or to enter in any express or implied contract, or with intent to commit fraud, or that fraud may be committed, commits the offense of forgery, and such person will be charged with the offense of forgery under section 463 of IPC. In order to understand it in a better way, I will divide the definition of forgery into few parts. So therefore, if a person, when he makes any false document or electronic record with a criminal intention to first cause injury or damage to the other person or public, second, cause any person part with the property, third, enter into any express or implied contract, fourth, support any claim or title, fifth, commit or may commit any fraud, then the person will be held liable or will be charged for the offense of forgery. These points are also one of the essential elements which are required to constitute a crime of, or to constitute the offense of forgery under section 463 of IPC. So if a person commits or try to commit any of the mentioned elements or essentials, then such person will be charged for the offense of forgery. I will give you few illustrations. So first, A, without Z's authority, affixes Z's seal to a document purporting to be a conveyance of an estate from Z to A, here with the intention of selling the estates to B, then thereby of obtaining from B the purchase money, A has committed forgery. Supreme Court also, in one of the cases of T.N. Rugmini versus A.C. Achyuta Menon, held that making an application in another's name without any intention to defraud or causing harm to anyone does not amount to an offense of forgery under section 463 of IPC. So if you are doing or committing or making a forged document without intention, or without a guilty mind or without intention, then you will not be charged for the offense of forgery under section 463 of IPC. For intention plays a very important role. So that's it for this video. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video.